Hi guys, welcome to my vlog today. Just oh my god, $30. Oh my god. See, $30, 31 dollars. This is so cool. All right, 29. Ay, bumaba siya. 30, 30, 31, 31. Okay, 30, 31. Shit, grabe. Wait lang, wait lang. Na-stress ako. Diyan yung pang... Oh my god. Hi everyone, welcome to my vlog. Today, I'm buying some stocks sa eToro. Magsisell ako kasi ang laki ng tinaas niya. Right now, we are $31. 31.6, 32. Oh my god, 32! Oh, $32! Shit! 32, 32. Abot siya na 35.
Kanina 28 lang.
At kanina $11 lang siya.
Something na.
Oh my god, 30.7, 30.9, $31. Hi everyone. Right now I'm just waiting sa eToro kasi yung value niya nagtaas siya from $10 kanina. Ngayon nagiging $31. Abang ko siya ng 35. Pag bababa siya ng 29, kukunin ko na kasi bababa na yun siya tuloy-tuloy. $30. Oh my god. Ouch, 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 ouch. 29. Huwag kang mag-29. Ayokong mag-close trade. Shit. Wait lang, wait lang. Ngayon na bumaba. Makit ka ulit. Oh my god, nag-28 na sa. Sayang yung $32. Shit, balik sa taas. Ayoko ibenta. Sayang, 28. Tumaas ka. Buwang. Nag-$32 siya, 27! Mahirap yung habulin yung 31 kanina kasi nag-27, bumaba na naman siya.
Hindi na.
Pagod ako.
Hindi na.
27. 25! Fuckers!
O sana yung binabol mo na.
Sayang! 26 na naman. Shit. Sayang.
Ako na-stress ako, magkape nga din. Stress talaga. Buisi.
Pag nag-30 siya, kukunin ko na ha. Kasi sayang. Promise you. $30 din yun. Ah, 25 na naman siya. Shout out naman dyan kay Mark Kip Tugade. Naging $24 na lang siya. Oh. 25, please. 35 ang target ako. Patay pala man, no? Ay, hangil lang pala man din.
Keso na.
Okay.
Ito ko lang eh.
Baka expire na.
Okay lang.
Baka matay ka na.
Ay, stress ako.
So guys, what I did, I bought gold commodities in eToro. Right now, it's $25. Yan yung value niya. So, nakaabang lang ako 26 please. 26 please. Not yet. So, ganun. 8% din to After ng trabaho, ito yung inaabang. Kahit ang trabaho ako, ito yung inaabangan ko. Naka-on lang sa monitor. Sayang yung $31 kanina. 26. Aakyat na naman yan siya. Akyat. Oops. Boop. Ganun lang siya. 6:30 na tayo alis. Come on, please, bitch. Except mo na ako kasi titingnan ko yung total gain ko. Kasi baka yung isa ay negative si SPNX. S&P Index. Si SP... Oh my God! Ay, hindi pala. Si S&P Index kasi, bumili din ako ng indices. So, yung indices natin, meron tayong indices. Meron tayong New York Stock Exchange, meron tayong Nasdaq, meron tayong S&P Index 500 sa US yan. Sa Philippines naman, yung index natin, isa lang. Philippine Stock Exchange. Yan lang yung index natin. Sa Hong Kong, meron din sila. Sa Nikkei, meron din sila mga ganyan-ganyan. Wait lang! $28, $27. There you go. So, ayan guys. So, right now, nasa $26 yung gain. 26.61. Mabilis lang yung up and down ng rate. So, kailangan mabilis din yung kamay mo. Technique lang dito guys. Buy low, sell high. Yun lang po. Pagka nagpupula po yung account mo sa eToro, mag-antay ka lang ng mga ilang oras lang yan guys. Hindi na yan abutin ng araw. Mag-green ulit yan. Ay, $24 lang. Wait, bumaba siya. 24. Wag 23. $24. Bumaba siya ng konti. Wait lang. Kape muna ako.
Stress ako. Stress is real.
Stress is real. Magsasara yung markets sa US mamaya kasi Friday is today. Today is Friday. Ay, maganda pala yung PSE index natin, no? Yun natin yung home. Pag titingin tayo sa home sa Call Financial, ang makikita natin is naka-green siya. Bullish ang Philippine Stock Exchange natin today, this morning. Ang gawa nung last trading na for the week at maraming pumahabol. Ganun ba yun? Ewan ko, hindi naman ako analyst. So, sayang talaga yung $31. Sana binenta, kinuha ko na. Take profit. Ganun.
Good Lord!
So, ang nangyari dito, ilo-long term ko si PHA kasi alam ko, pag-usapan na lang natin yung stocks call. So, ngayon, nag-loss pa ako ng 2,600 kay Ayala. Kasi mahal ko siya nabili. Yung price niya ngayon 728. Ayun. So, iwan ko lang muna yung pera ko dyan. 3 months from now, for sure, oh my God, tumaas na naman siya. 3 months for sure, tataas yung amount niya. Si Apollo, kailangan nating mag-hold on kay Apollo kasi meron silang FOO, fuck off. Fuck off. Fuck off. May FOO si Apollo. So, pupunta din siya ng to the moon. Si Apollo 7.
The moon!
When all the things go...
Stress ako
Ay, nako. Patience is virtue. Knowledge is patience. Knowledge is power. patience is power din, guys. Yun ang masasabi ko. Sa vlog natin ito, hashtag patience is power. You know what, guys? Because with all your patience sa stock market, it may be Call Financial, Philstocks, eToro, Align Assets, Honeygain, wherever it is, whatever platform you are using, patience is power. If you don't have patience, wala kang mapapala dito. Like this one, meron akong $25 for today. Kanina $32 siya, tapos ayan, nakikita nila. Ayan. So, pag i-close ko na yung trade, tatanggapin ko na yung plus $25. Kiklik ko lang yung red! Wag. Kasi mag-aantay pa ako. $24 na lang siya. Ang ganda ng ano ko dito. Aura. So, out! Bumaba siya. Alam ko si gold, umakyat siya ng 1,800 USD per 1 gold. Bakit ang mura lang ng gold? Ganun lang ba talaga ang value ng gold? For real. Isang kilong gold ba yun? isang kotiting lang gold, 1,786 ang value niya, guys. Yun. Pero wala naman siyang units lang kasi sa eToro, kaya kahit $300 lang ilalagay mo sa eToro. I mean, sa isang commodity like gold. Ang mangyayari, ouch! Nag-23 siya. 24 my name. I was done in forever. Tumatawa yung I will be the same. Nag-23 na siya. In just a glimpse of seconds. Huwag ka nang bumaba sa 20. Umakyat ka lang ng 35. Kukunin na kita. Kasi sayang din yung pera. Wow, naging 350! Tingnan mo tuloy na positive yung portfolio ko. Last year. Ay, may mga ganun, Core filing of registration, statement with the core, power acquisition shares. Oh my God! Ang plano pala niya, out! Nag-$22 na siya! Shit! $10 yun na bawas. $21. Oh, grabe, ang bilis lang niya magbilis lang niyang bumaba. Oh my God, nag-$20. Ayoko namang ibenta yun. Sayang naman yung ko kanina, 30,020. Diba? Ay, lobat ako. Ibo. Mamaya na lang tayo magbenta pagka malaki na ulit. Pero malamang, bago ako matulog, negative na naman. So sayang yung $30 na wala yung paper gain. Pag babalik yun sa 25, kukunin ko na, sayang yun. Ang kagandahan lang kasi sa mga ganyang weekend na mga eToro na yan. 24/7 yung business. So, kahit weekend, pwede kang kumita pa din. Kung tama yung pagbili mo. Saan yung isang cellphones? Ay, mag-prepare muna tayo. Grabe. Iwan ko muna to. Diversify. Ayun, mayroon siyang Grabe si Binance din. Si Binance, ang sabi, positive kuno si S&P Index. Nag-aayos lang ako ng guys, panglaro namin ng badminton kasi kailangan namin maglaro. Kasi bilis ko lang mapagod. Kailangan kong mag-exercise. The juices. And I need some egg waters, shoes, pampunas, shirt. Sabi pa ni Dada kanina ba?
Sabi mo,
Ba't ka ganyan? Parang ang stress.
stress talaga ako. Boss.
Hindi, bakit nakaganyan yung damit mo? Parang pupunta ka sa simbahan?
Hindi, pang baling ko talaga.
Akala ko polo na yun. Yung tipong polo na may, may buttons, yung buong buttons dito.
May stress talaga.
Payat mo dyan, Lon. Kasi malaki yung
Shoulder.
Oo. I mean, malaki yung damit.
Ganun.
Oo.
Hindi sa kay shoulder ko maganda.
Hinangat ng sarili ko.
May stress ako po siya.
Simi-simiya, simiya. La 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 la. Dala tayo ng shallow cacks.
Pero kung kaya extra shot, ano din yung raketa?
Wala akong extra. Walang laman yan dyan.
MTA pala napunta yung raketa kung
Ha?
kay MTA daw pinamahal.
Naalala ko na. Nakalimutan ko kasi.
Kaya nagsabi sa akin.
Ay, ganon? Ako din na lang kasi di ko alam kung alam. Saan kaya napunta yung nakakita ng isa lang? Kung may nandiyan lang sa amin. Ay, akala ko ito yun. May nag-chat sa'yo eh.
May stress.
Para ka maglalaro ng golf.
Hindi na ba?
Pero pumuti ka nun. Ba't ka pumuti?
Hindi ako lumalabas ng bahay.
Oo nga eh. Yung puti mo putla.
Na-stress ako eh.
Ito na nga no. Putla yung puti. So weird. Hindi nga yan. Ikukulong ka lang naman ng ilang araw. Sa bagay. Ano lang naman, hindi, for sure naman yun, aanohin ka ng kumpanya mo. Bail out ka. laki naman ng company na yun para ano. Hindi, joke lang. May chips ako, dali ko kaya ito. Grabe talaga si SPNX. Nagtampo talaga ako sa'yo ba? Nag-out ako sa office ng 5 something. Yung gain ko sa S&P index is $12. I thought after kung magpiki-piki pauwi sa bahay, akala ko naman iniisip ko talaga siya lagi-lagi. Akala ko talaga aabot siya ng mga 20. Pagdating ko ng bahay, negative pa. Wala lahat. Oh my gosh. Go for the win! $22 na ulit siya! Sabi ng ate ko ba, sabi daw ng bayaw ko, after 6 months, makabili na daw kami ng kotse. Gusto na bumili ng kotse pang Grab kasi yung bayaw ko yung mag-Grab. So, after 6 months daw, baka pwede na daw ako makabili ng kotse.
Dahil sa trading. All in all, magkano nakita tingin ko?
100 pa lang. 1,000 pa lang.
$1,000 pa lang. Yung 2 months, nalilitan ka pa ron. Langya ka.
Pero wala pang itoro yan ha. Ano lang yun, talagang sumuwerte lang sa yung Ayala. 600 agad yun eh. Isang account lang. Si Ayala at saka si EPL talaga yung nagbigay ng pera. Pero, disclaimer agad. Hindi yan pautang. Baka Saan ka na, Ann? Paging Ann Villamor? Saan ka na? Nanonood ka ba ng video? Ay! Ito pala yung vitamin C. Kailangan natin to. It is made from India. Galing sa gamot. Gamot. Ang gamot sa amin is roots. Any, Ano kasi, pag si gold umabot ng 1.8 ag ulit, laki ng pera na yun. Nag-negative si S&P. Kainis. Maghanap ako ng, alam mo guys, ini-screenshot ko kasi yung mga binibili ko. Based on this, February 4 pa pala to. Based on this February 4 na screenshot, yung gold is 1833. Ngayon, ang gold is 1786. BTC 47 lang. Oh my God, grabe yung pag-ano ko, $47,000. Ngayon, magkano? $53,000 na. 48, 49, 50, 51, $6,000 yung tinaas si Bitcoin just for a week. Grabe, sayang yun. O, diba? Antayin ko na lang si Gold na mag 1.8 ulit, tapos ayun. Ayoko mo nang kunin. Bayaan mo siya. Kasi February 16, kailan lang yung February 16? 6 o'clock in the evening. Ay, hindi, umaga siya. Alas 7 ng umaga. Ang gold, yung price ni gold is 1,825. Ibig sabihin, may chance pa na aabot ulit si gold doon. Tapos naging 1.7 siya, nag-loss siya. Tapos 1.7. Grabe si Nasdaq ko. Tingnan mo to guys, oh. Madugo, $54 yung negative sa akin. Tapos, naging $5 gain. Naging $7 gain. $6. Hindi ka naman to binenta pa. So guys, if you want to learn how to trade in eToro, ituturo ko sa inyo.
Nasaan na si Ann?
Ann, Okwapi, wewe. Ay, naging $18 na yung $30 ko. Sabi ko sa'yo, antayin ko siya mag 1.8, saka ko na siya ibenta. Kasi, kukunin ko to ngayon, napaka 50% na yung loss na gain ko dapat. So, ano na lang, parang magtatampo na lang ako. Na lang ako. Mag-aantay na lang talaga ako, abot siya ng 1.8. Pag 1.8 na yung price niya, ang kagandaan lang dito, kailangan mong open lagi yung phone mo. Tapos, pagka nag 1.8 talaga siya, benta. Ay, alam ko na, pag weekend, mataas yung value nito. Pag malaki yung value niya sa weekend, benta agad. Gagawin niya $50 to. Antayin ko na lang, no, kaysa wala. Ang mangyayari kasi nito, hindi ako makakabili eh. Kasi pag bibili ako, mahal. Mag-aantay ako ng another resistance. Hindi pwede. Magabang na lang ako. So, ang gagawin natin dyan, dahil emotional tayo ngayon, pag mga ganyang wala tayong mapapala sa ganito, ang gagawin dyan, i-off na lang natin. Off mo na lang tingin. Check mo na lang mamaya after mag-badminton. Tawagan ko muna si Ann. Cannot possibly be your call. Where? Where is your call? I... Hi everyone. Everything that wants you dancing around.
Hello?
Hello, saan ka na?
Ayos na.
Ay, grabe, kanina pa yon.
Uy, nahuli mo ko sa balay.
Oo.
Ibili na ko si Kayan, di akin na.
Oo.
Kapag na may na.
Okay, sige, sige.
Pwede.
Ay, sakit. Saan pa massage? Ay, walang pasok bukas. Magpapagupit ako bukas doon after ng ano. Gusto mo magpagupit doon?
Ha?
Gusto mo magpagupit?
Oo.
Magkano ang pagupit sa ano doon, Libya?
Ayun, mura lang. Kasi, di ba mura lang yung mga bili.
Ah.
Kasi,
Anong mahal doon doon?
pag-ibig.
Wala talaga?
Ano pag-ibig ko?
Ay, ganun talaga?
And then, ano?
For real?
Ano na?
Sagot-sagot ka, tapos hindi mo na.
Wala ko sarili. Ano ang mahal doon?
Stress! Anong mahal doon? Kasi mura lahat eh.
Water. Mas mura yung gasolina kaysa water.
Distilled water? Mahal?
Kaysa sa gasolina.
Ina-export yung water doon? Or pinifilter lang naman?
May mga ganun, pero iba sa gamit yun. Kaya yung mga German pagka, nakakat ng water sa, sa.
Oh. Sana gusto ko lang. You're not following anything. Magpa-follow ako ng si Berkshire Hathaway. Tingnan natin yung ano ni Berkshire Hathaway, yung portfolio ni Berkshire Hathaway na owned by Warren Buffett. Warren Buffett. Meron siyang hawak na JP Morgan. Isa sa pinakamalaking bangko, insurance company sa United States of Americas. Meron siyang Mastercard sa portfolio niya. Meron siyang P&G, yung maker ng Head and Shoulder and Feet and Shoes. And tapos, meron din siyang investment sa Bank of America. Meron din siyang investment sa Coca-Cola Company. And meron din siyang investment sa Merck, yung logistics. Wells Fargo and Company, logistics. Wells Fargo is a bank.
Yeah.
Wells Fargo.
Wells Fargo.
Fargo.
Sa
UPS Parcel Service.
Yan.
Saan yun? Shout out naman dyan sa 3 million followers natin. Thank you so much guys. Tuning lang po. Shout out naman kay Mr. Elmer Osdana. Kumusta po kayo dyan? Time check at 6:30 in the evening. Nandito po tayo ngayon sa Africa. Gaantay pa tayo ng flight papuntang Ghana. Ano kaya meron sa Ghana, no? So, we are just waiting for American Express Company, si credit card company. General Motors, yung may-ari ng mga malalaking yung mga luxury cars. USB, US Bank Corporation, Bank of New York. Nag-invest din si ano dyan. The Kroger Company, Synchrony Financial, Globe Life, Store Capital, S&P Index. Conversation. So, guys, the board of directors of the Coca-Cola Company, dividend stock, Coca-Cola, Bank of America. Ayan. Kung saan nag-invest si Warren Buffett, maganda din na doon tayo mag-invest. Kasi Warren Buffett, nag-i-invest lang yan siya pagka naka-thorough study na siya sa isang kumpanya. It's never too late na mag-invest kasi bumili din siya ng Verizon, yung maker ng phone. Chevron, maker ng shampoo. Man. Patingin nga ng account, baka naman tumaas na naman si ano. Pero sabi ko sa'yo, dapat 1.8 ang ceiling ko eh. Pag aabot sa 1.8, benta ko. Pero kung hindi siya aabot sa 1.8, mag-aantay na lang tayo. Saan na yung ituro ko? Ituturo. Hi Vic, how are you? Kumusta po? Vic. Kumusta, bossing? Ay, mababa na naman siya. Anak ng pateng. Grabe, hindi ko na talaga kayang abutin yung Bitcoin. Umakyat na naman siya, 54,000. Magsi 60,000 na to siya. Inaantay ko yung pag-dip ng Bitcoin, tapos benta ko. Ang problema lang sa Bitcoin, walang leverage. Hindi mo siya ma-multiply yung earnings mo. Manood nga tayo ng leverage. What is leverage? Ituro leverage. Ano ang ibig niya sabihin? Kasi iba yung iniisip ko sa If I got it right, I will treat myself. Leverage on Itoro. So, ganyan. Ito leverage for beginners. Leverage. What is leverage?
Everything in life is a negotiation.
La. Sana si Anita, papunta na siya, maliliit. 6:23 na. Ala, sabi niya Tiningwan, 6:30 tayo alis. 6:45 pala.
Sino ba yung best friend?
Ako sakay kay Tineng, ikaw sakay kay Ana.
Can you explain it in super simple terms? You guys are
Yes, so actually, I think I can share my screen para mas madali siya maintindihan. Pero essentially, leverage is basically increasing your exposure or the broker allowing you to increase your exposure. So here's a very quick one. So right now, Facebook, let's say $1,000, right?
Ganito yung technique guys para matuto sa stocks.
So,
Kailangan
let's
magbasa
say
at
$1,000. So
manood.
we'll just set it first at times 1 leverage para makita nyo, right? So $1,000 yung i-invest ko, gagamitin ko pambili ng Facebook at this price, and then naka-times 1 leverage ako. May kita mo yung exposure ko is exactly the same, 1,000. So 1,000 times 1 is 1,000. Ang ibig sabihin yan is yung pera ko talaga na ginagamit pang invest sa Facebook is 1,000. Kung nag-times 2 leverage ako dito, may kita mo yung exposure ko becomes 2,000 na. So, 1,000 times 2. Ang ibig sabihin yan is $1,000 lang ang pera ko, sarili kong pera na nilalabas. Pero in the markets, parang 2,000 yung ini-invest ko. Right? So, saan nanggagaling yung kabilang 1,000 is coming from eToro, basically. It's the same case pag times 5 mo. May kita mo yung exposure mo, tumaas na. What that means is, so again, same thing. $1,000 lang actually ang nilalabas ko sa markets. Pero $5,000 yung position ko. Mas malaki. So what that means is kung tumaas yung presyo ng Facebook, right? Then basically times 5 din yung profits mo. So let's say Facebook goes up by 10%, tapos naka-times 5 leverage ka, you actually make 50% right away. On the other hand, if Facebook goes down by 10%, then you go down by 50% right away. So 50% kagad ng 1,000 mo, or $500, mawawala kagad, even though 10% lang talaga ginalaw ng Facebook. So what happens is naging mas sensitive yung trade mo. Kasi right, for example, kung times 1 leverage ka lang, kung 10% na galaw lang naman ng Facebook, okay lang, nadulugi lang naman ako ng 10% eh. So $100 lang naman yun. Right? Pero kung naka-times 5 leverage ka, automatically biglang $500 na kagad yung running loss mo right now. Parang ganun.
Shout
So,
out naman
it can
dyan
multiply.
kay
Basically, you
Chuchi
can think of it as a
Hera.
multiplier.
Kumusta?
Kung mahilig ka
Kumusta
maglaro
ba?
ng games, you can think of it
Kumusta
as a
kayo dyan,
multiplier
tipo?
talaga. Right? It can multiply your gains. On the
It
other hand, it
can
can also multiply your losses.
multiply your
That's why you
loss.
have to be very careful with leverage.
Yes. So, I hope we were able to explain yung concept ng leverage.
Yeah.
I'm gonna fly you. Ang gusto kong panoorin yung yung Malaysian na lalaki na nag-explain. Magaling siya mag-English.
Hey everyone, so leverage. You've all heard about leverage, and a lot of people asking, what's it do, why do you scare
Daddy.
people warn against it? So here's
Millennial.
the Look how nice and glossy it is. Blue, big picture of a mobile, everything seems simple and lovely.
Finance,
Then
millennial
down at the bottom here,
finance.
there's this quite important little statement. Now this, eToro wouldn't have put this little statement here if they
Hi Chuchi, kumusta? Hello, how are you? Ito, ang cute niya. See, we were wrong about Wahid Invest when the update review. Gusto ko yung niya. Ang dami ko natutos. I learn a lot from this guy.
In today's video, I'll be talking about how do you actually buy and sell stocks. I'll be walking through the eToro platform for those of
I
you
was watching
who are beginners.
him and then
Whether you
natuto
decide
ako
to use
mag-invest
eToro or
sa
not, a lot of these
eToro.
terms will be the same, but we believe that eToro has a lot of very cool features that you can use, and we'll go through each one of it. I'll be showing the screen of my laptop here, where it's our eToro account, but before that, we have to check. Ching! Alright, so you guys can look at how an eToro dashboard looks like here. We don't actually have $112,000 in our eToro account, and we only wish we did. If you want to use a virtual account, eToro will also give you $100,000 to play around with. Well, of course, you can't withdraw this money, it's not real. You can really just test out the platform and try to see whether it's good for you. If you want to sign up with eToro, you can use our link down in the description below, and it'll really help out the channel. Anyway, let's get started. So when we first look at the eToro platform, there's this thing called a watch list. A watch list is basically a list of stocks that we want to see what the movement of the prices are, but we don't necessarily want to buy it right now. So let's create a watch list right now just for this video. We'll call it TMF YouTube Guide. create this watch list, and there you go. Empty, you can put in whatever you want.
Wait,
Add markets, or go to stocks,
I made some
exchange,
watch list
stocks
also.
that we want to see here. We can really just test out the platform and try to see whether it's good for you. If you want to sign up with eToro, you can use our link down in the description below, and it'll really help out the channel. Anyway, let's get started. So we first look at the eToro platform. There's this thing called a watch list. A watch list is basically a list of stocks that we want to see what the movement of the prices are, but we don't necessarily want to buy it right now. So let's create a watch list right now just for this video. We'll call it TMF YouTube Guide. Create this watch list, and there you go. Empty, we can put in whatever we want. So let's add markets. I'll go to stocks, go to exchange, Nasdaq. You can see a list of all the stocks that are on the Nasdaq, which is the US stock market.
Watch.
So let's say I want to look at Apple, Google, Facebook, Microsoft, and Amazon. These
Nakita
are
ko na
five
yung
of the
watch
biggest
list
stocks
ko.
in the whole US stock market. Once I'm done,
Grabe
I'll go
talaga
here,
yun, no?
and you'll see I have all 5 of these in my watch list. I don't own them yet, but these are stocks that I really want to consider buying in the future. So we can look at the Apple stock right here. The price moved 0.19 cents yesterday, and in percentage-wise, it was 0.16%. We have an option to either sell or buy,
Nahanaya
so
ako
I'll go
sa
through a bit more
Bitcoin.
later on. On the
Mag-50,000
eToro
kaya
platform,
siya.
you can also click on the Apple picture, and it'll bring you to an overview of what this stock is all about. The first thing that it shows is a feed. A feed is basically something that eToro tries to replicate Facebook with, where it's trying to be a social trading platform. This means that whoever posts about Apple can see about all just thoughts around here. So let's say we can go through Adorel from France posted something about Apple. This is about the Apple Time Flies event, and the Little Miss A posted about market summary,
Gold,
which included Apple in one of
BTC,
our
SPN.
hashtags of it. Anyway, when we go back up, you can see here that the market is closed. So we're recording in noon Malaysian time, and the US stock market only opens at 9:30 p.m. and opens all the way until 4:30 a.m. every single workday. So because it's only 1:45 p.m. now, the markets are closed, and any orders that we place won't go through. Other than the feed, we can also go through the stats part of Apple, which I think is a super interesting thing that eToro actually put in on the platform. Over here, you can go through some of the financials of the stock. For example, you can see where they closed previously, where they traded in the day, where they traded in the last 1 year, how much volume is being traded, and the 1-year return of Apple with an amazing 110%. We can also see that Apple is now worth $2,000 billion, which is actually $2 trillion. So Apple was the first stock in the whole world, actually no, in the US to hit $2 trillion in market cap. You can also take a look at their PE ratios, their revenue of $273 billion, their EPS, and of course their dividends. For those of you who don't know, Apple actually pays dividends, but at a very low amount of 0.56%. You can also go through their financial summaries, where eToro shows us their income statements, so basically how much they made in revenue versus how much they made in net income, which is profits. You can take a look at their balance sheet, and you can even look at their cash flow statements. So these are actually the 3 main things that we look at in the stock's financials, and it's all condensed into the eToro platform. Other than the financial part, you can also have a profile of Apple where eToro basically writes up a bit on why Apple shares are considered an attractive investment and why someone would probably want to invest in Apple. You can go through this, and they actually have something like this for a lot of stocks, especially for the very popular ones. The next tab that we see with Apple is a chart, and this basically shows how Apple traded in the last however long time frame that you want. This is for those of you who really understand charts, who understand candlesticks, but for most fundamental investors who are looking to invest for the long term, I think it doesn't really matter to you, and you just skip this part and go on to the super interesting part, which is a
one book a week. But not many people have time for that. I understand. So I created a company with my business partner Alex called Mentor Box. We have 65,000 paying customers. We turn books like this into video format. We've got New York Times bestselling authors, Nobel Prize winners, Pulitzer Prize winners teaching their books. Like Warren Buffett said, the more you learn, the more you earn. My favorite saying. Give us 7 minutes and we'll change your life. 7 minutes a day. And We do it for less than the price of Netflix. Click the link below. Jump in MentorBox. You can cancel anytime. We have a library of books. You can listen to them in audio or video format. They're not just book summaries. They're the authors teaching you their books. Get the knowledge of these books in your brain. Make it simple, easy to remember them. Get one book a week into your brain in 7 minutes. Click the link.
Di ba nag-reply si Jill?
Hmm?
Di nag-reply si Jill?
Sabi niya, huwag kang kabahan, Ika. Chill ka
Wala
lang.
pala eh.
Wala problema yan. Worry away.
Sabi ko naman sa'yo eh. Worry not. Ganyan na yung sila dito.
Ha?
Worry not. Wala yan. Positive yan.
Una theluji ya kipekee,
Umeanza
lakini
kabisa.
unakabiliwa na changamoto ya mabadiliko ya tabia nchi mwaka hadi mwaka. Jitihada nyingi zinafanywa na serikali na wadau wa mazingira katika kukabiliana na jambo hili. Kampuni ya mawasiliano ya Tigo imekuwa ikidhamini mbio fupi za kilomita 21 ziitwazo Tigo
Research tab. So eToro actually gets a lot of information from this company called TipRanks, which churns out a lot of facts about companies. These are information that you actually have to go through so many different places or pay a very high premium to get access to. But eToro is giving it for free to all the these are information that you can see here. Analysts, consensus, and pricing. What this means is all these analysts who are hired by different investment
Oh,
banks.
ayun nga Pinapawag yung sarili ko.
Moderate buy, with 71% of all analysts rating it a buy, 20% a hold, and the rest of 9% a sell. This is based on 35 analysts offering recommendations for Apple in the last 3 months. We can use this as a general guide as to whether people think the Apple stock is going to go up or down. But again, this is not the only thing we should look at, it's just a part of what we do in our analysis. Other than just saying buy, hold, and sell, because if that was just it, I mean, anyone can be an analyst, right? These analysts also give price targets for where they think Apple will be in the next 1 year. On average, these 35 analysts have a price target of $120.50, which is roughly 3.9% higher than when it's trading today. The lowest estimate, which is the most bearish analyst, thinks that Apple stock will trade at only $66, and the highest estimate, being the most bullish analyst, thinks that Apple will trade at $150. Down here, you can look at who these analysts are. So, for example, Aaron Rakers from Wells Fargo thinks it's a buy and put a $140 price target. You can even click here to go to the article where he said that he has this target. This is actually very interesting because all these analysts has a rating by difference, meaning if they always put out that Apple stock will go down to $50 in the next 1 year and the price doesn't really happen, they'll actually get a low rating, meaning you can't really trust this guy. This is something cool, but again, it's just for your information, it's part of your entire analysis, and you
Should I
shouldn't
bring my
follow
charger
these guys
or not?
just based on what they say. As if analysts estimate for now, eToro also shows you hedge fund activity, meaning companies like Berkshire Hathaway, like Goldman Sachs, buying into stocks of Apple. So you can go through this graph here, which basically shows that hedge funds have been buying a lot of Apple stock since Q2 2018 till now. If you scroll down lower again, you can also see that based on average, these hedge funds have a positive
We actually
sentiment
have to
of Apple
go
in the
play.
second quarter of 2020. And if you want to see who these guys
Very
are,
important
of course,
for our
the biggest
health.
shareholder in Apple is Warren Buffett. He didn't do
Warren
anything
Buffett?
but he does hold $89 billion worth of Apple stock. Here, you can also see
Bukas.
that Ken Fisher from Fisher Asset Management
Ah,
added a 2%
pwede
position,
hapon,
and
after
Prime Cap
ng
Management
maganda tayo.
reduced the position by around 2% as well. This again is super interesting information. It's
After
very
mga
in-depth
lunch.
and it's not
Ay,
easy
mamaya.
to find. But
Yung
eToro
brunch
has
na,
all of
ay
this.
magpagupit
Kasi
mo
wala
na.
makain po
I have
sa,
found
doon sa,
another broker
sa
with
Warmo
this
din.
amount
Huh?
of research in it, other than a few
Ano?
which have actually
Yan,
used it.
ay-
Other than analysts
Hindi
and
nga,
hedge
di ba
funds,
magsubsub
another
ka
thing
na
that is
mamaya?
very interesting to a lot of investors is basically insider
Ano
transaction,
niya ba yun?
which is basically
Wala.
people
Alam
who
din ninyo,
are working in
bukas.
the company itself
Hindi
buying
ba
or
kasama
selling
dali
shares
sa
of
baboy
stock.
niya yan?
So you can see here in around March of 2020, a lot of
Yung
people
bukas
working
is
in
bulalo.
Apple actually bought a lot of the stock because they knew that the
Ito
price
binili
was
yung
low.
ngayon, ito
They
yung
know the
ngayon.
value of the company, they know what they're going to launch, they know
Para
what
saan
the
pala
Apple
to?
top is going to look like, or the Apple Watch SE. But we don't know. So this is a very good indicator of whether a stock price is going to go up or down in the future. Because if you see that the CEO is selling off all of his
Oo
stock,
nga eh.
why would you buy it? However, again, you
Pagkain,
shouldn't
tatapos
just look at this because there's a whole host of different reasons that people buy and sell stocks.
Hi
For
everybody,
example,
I
people
am
like
going
Kim Cook don't actually
to
get a very
the
healthy
badminton court because we need to exercise our bodies. Bring forth my girls. Bring back my girls. Alam mo yun?
Hindi.
Hindi, meron yan.
Ay, babalik ko yung kada ako sa Stop.
Bring back my girls. Bring back my girls. Ano yun eh? Nasa Ropol yun. Ate Neng, tara na! Kung nandyan ka man. Tayo na natin si Ann sa baba.
Ay, eyeglass pala, hindi ko makikita.
Tayo yung isa kong phone. Isa kong phone. Amo na isa kong phone. Hindi ko nadala yung phone. Ah, nandito pala. Wait. Hi, Ken. Dito ako sa gym. Baba na lang kayo pag ready. Dala ko na din mga gamit ko. Pastila, nandyan na pala siya. Okay, so people say that you love me and tell me that you care. Say when I need you, I will always be there. And if you go, you'll leave me. Yeah. Wala akong magawa. Hi people! Kumusta po? We are going to play today. Kaya naman, I'm just waiting for Anitoy. Antot is coming actually. So there you go. Mag-gym muna sila. Hi, te. Diyos. Gusto mo ng ilaw? Alis na tayo? Ay, nagano ka na? Antayin na natin si Ann. Si Ann, papunta na. Ay, papunta na pa. Papunta pa lang dito pala. Ito na.
Di ba una na kayo? Sunod na kami niya.
Hello? Andito sa baba. Asa ka?
Nasa labas na yan.
Nasa taas.
Siya, nasa taas.
Akyat ka lang.
Ano po siya sa taas?
Andun man si Ayan.
Ay, iwan si Ayan.
Oo. Papunta na si Alon dyan. Naglakad ba kami sa stairs? Tayo na sa mabay. Tayo na te, tapos sila na. Hindi na lang yung kaldero? Luto na. Hindi ko sure. Luto na rin. Ay talaga? Sabi, magdi-dinner siya, no?